the shiur on Parashat Vayeshev. It is a very challenging question on the table for everybody, every community, everybody, that how to deal with teenagers nowadays. How should we talk to them? How should we deal with them? That's a question on the table that stays unresolved, and we really, every educator is wondered how to deal with it. Now, Torah in this week parasha has a very interesting message for us how to deal with teenagers. Torah tells us that Yosef Yosef was a youth, na'ar. Now, Chazal tells us what does it mean he was a youth, he was a na'ar. What does na'ar mean? Rashi tells us, Shoya Osef Maaseh Na'arut used to do things that the young people used to. What is that? Metaken b'sa'aro. He's fixing up his hair. All day busy with his hair to fix it up. Mimashvish be'enav. And he was checking his eyes to make it the best performance, the best way that looks. Listen to the key word. Kidei shiye nire yafe. In order that he should look beautiful. That's all what they think, what they do, what they behave. Anything is how to look yafe right now. That's the most important thing. Now, we have youth with the parents, educated parents, long-term vision, long-term understanding, long-term behaviors. These two speaks Chinese and Japanese. They talk, the messages doesn't go through because of what a young man, a youth thinks, nire yafe. Right now, I want to look good. Right now, I have to take the pleasure. Right now, if you study in school, if you do well in school, in long term, you're gonna have a better job, better life. If you work hard right now, you're gonna get. But the youth doesn't understand that. What youth wants, nire yafe, you to look beautiful right now. And parents, on the contrary, they are thinking that you work hard right now, you do whatever that you do, in the long term, you're gonna look beautiful. Now, what should we do? The first essential point in a relationship is understanding. If parents are wondered, puzzled, where does mentality come from, and that mentality cannot exist, and it's just something that is the makeup of my child because he's lazy and he doesn't want to move himself, or is driven by the society and there is no mentality like that, that's wrong. Then you cannot communicate with them, you cannot understand them. You have to understand there is the mentality, there is the philosophy, nire yafe. Takes them over, takes over their philosophy, their life, what they are thinking about, what are they putting, what are they doing. Once we understand them, then we could talk to them and get them out of the mud. The first point is to relate, to understand where are they coming from. They are coming from a different world, different language, different type of talking. And Torah tells us, nire yafe. The foundation of their mentality is, I have to look beautiful right now. I have to look good right now. Right now is important, not long term. Right now is important, not what's going to happen in the future. And our language is basically based on future language, but they don't understand. Therefore, the first thing to deal with them is understand their mentality and to go through that mentality to get them out of that mentality, to get them, to advise them in their language how to be better, how to look better right now, to work it out, that instead of telling them what's going to happen in the future to you, even right now is the best thing for you. That's the way that we should develop our talking and educating them, that even right now is the best thing for you to do.